Here I've got Nokia One Plus, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first, let's locate IMEI number through the settings. So you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and pick System. Now you have to open Advanced Options and click on About Phone, scroll down a bit, and here you'll notice both IMEI numbers. And then if you will go back, you can enter a secret code which will provide you with serial number for your device. So enter *##06#, and as you can see, here is your device serial number. Click on OK to go back, and that's basically all. This is how you can locate both IMEI and serial number in your Nokia One Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.